Hey guys, back at it again at this old park here. I got my son there. He's hanging out with me digging today. He's got his detector out, learning how to use it. We're having a lot of fun. And we got our first weedie of the day already. Check it out. Don't know what the date is, a little crunchy. But definitely a weedie.
Might be able to see it.
Let's see if you can see it.
Yeah. That's a little bit crunchy.
A little bit crunchy, yep. Date would be right over there.
19, 20, 22 or 23?
22 or 23. It's an early one. Nice. Awesome. Now let's get some silver. It's out here. I know it. All right, for our next find, guys, another weedie. Let's see if we can get a date off of this one together. This one I might be able to get the date off of it. 1930 or 20. Maybe another 20s. You can try your eyes?
Trade you.
Okay, see what you can see.
This looks like a jumbled mess. I hold that and pull out my camera.
Okay. You can tell there.
That's a 1.
Oh,
It's 19-1 something.
well, if it's 19-1 something, that makes it either 11, 12, 13, or teens.
Because it looks like a 1. It doesn't look like a 4.
You could be right. This is a very old park. Who knows? All right, we got an oldie. Let's see if we can get some old silver. All right, guys, I found this. I saw shiny right on the surface there. Took my detector over. We'll see what it's. 45, 46, 47. That is a good sign. That's gonna be a ring, guys.
Yay, finally got silver.
Got a ring. No, this is gonna be. That's in the gold range, dude.
Oh. I think it's gold plated.
I don't know. It should be gold all the way through. It's got great weight to it. Here, you hold this.
I was gonna look at that.
That means flip the
That's
camera
to
around.
take a picture. Map is not fitting.
All right, here we go. Let me take a look here. Oh, it's got writing all inside it too.
Yeah, I have to take that out and look at the microscope or something.
Nice little ring there. Looks like it's got Elvis written inside.
There's so many numbers though.
Not yet. I'll have to look under the scope. That's pretty incredible.
Try not to scratch it in your pocket.
No, I'm gonna put it right next to my other ring. One I got yesterday. Yeah. This one's stainless steel. I know. 2 rings now. Or one there, so which means we're doing great. All right, see you in the next find. All right, got me another weedie. Can't tell the date on it, but it's definitely a weedie. I'll have to clean it up and see later. But wow, we're still finding a lot of stuff. See you in a moment. All right, out here digging again, and guess what? Found silver. It was right on top. It was ringing up at 83 with my AT Pro, and boom, Merc dime. Here we go. Right, heck yeah. Right on the surface there, it was ringing up 83. And we got a Merc. Merc dime. Awesome. Silver today. Sweet. That is freaking awesome. Well, for the next find, it was raining really good last night and the night before. 75. I see this glimmer on the ground. It says USA on it. We got a USA pin right there, and it says Sterling. That is freaking awesome. Right there we go, more silver. Wow, that is pretty sweet. I just knew I was gonna find one after this heavy rain. I found a lot of them in here. That one's broke, but that's okay. Still a marble. Yep, just pulled another weedie. Starting to get dark out here. Losing light. Can't tell. It's definitely a weedie. Maybe you guys can see it better than I can. That right in there's the best. That's what we got. Just about the time I was telling you the sun's going down. Walking back to the truck. I think we have another silver that just popped out. That looks silver to me. That is, it's another Merc. This one we should be able to get a good date on it there. It's not dirty. There we go. Nice. All right, guys, as you can see, I am packing up. The sun is going down. Hey, we got a kite right over there. Squirrel, look at that. Someone lost their kite. So yeah, this park has produced and produced and produced. It has been amazing hunting it. So let's take a look at the finds that we got today and as of yesterday too. So today I got this ring here. I'm gonna have to look at it under the scope. It rang up low. It's got some weight to it. This one I dug yesterday, it is a spinner ring right there. I think it's just gonna be stainless steel, but it is a pretty ring. Got this yesterday also, and I haven't been able to look under the scope yet. Not sure if it's just bling, but this is definitely silver because it says sterling right on the back there. And got a few Wheaties here. Some of them I can read, some of them I can't. Got a smashed penny yesterday also. That's a 51. Let's see if we can get any luck on some of these. Too corroded, I think. Yeah, that's gonna look like it's gonna be a 43. Let's take a look at this one, see if that tells us anything. Very corroded. Yeah, not much of anything there. I know we had some oldies out of this place, and I think some of these probably are old. But man, they are tough. There's a 40s. Let's see if I can kind of wipe that one down. Yeah, I'd say that's a 30, 37. That's probably the earliest one that I can tell for right now. Did get a bunch of marble though. So that was really cool. Got a whole jar full of those. Yeah, that one can't even tell. Too much crusty. But best finds right here for today. Definitely got some Merc times. Let me set that there. Let's zoom in. I think it's a 43. Yep, 43. And let's see if we got a mint mark on the back there. Denver. So we got a 43 Denver. Let's take a look at the other one here. This one's a little harder. It's got black on it. But looks like a 42 right there. So it's going to be a 42. Let's see if we can get a mint mark on it. Where am I at here? There we go. They're both Denver. All right, cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that hunt. Excuse me for my hair. Took off my my headphones there and went a little crazy. Yep, so I had a blast. I'm gonna be hitting this park some more because every time I come out, I'm just finding silver after silver after silver. It's been nuts. And then just tons of wheat pennies, buffalo nickels, you name it. So they're getting ready to redo all that. Once I get the sod and stuff in, that's it. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can before they finish off this park. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please head over to the next guy on the Premiere Trine, and we'll catch you next time and find some more goodies. See ya. This is my dump box. This is where I put everything. All the coins that are just clad. Stuff that I need to go through. Copper, aluminum, all the trash that comes out of it. But I'll go through and sort all the coins out, get them cleaned up and stuff. Get all the marbles, put those in my marble jar. But yeah, lots and lots of trash comes out of these parks. All right, guys, out it again. Went to a little play place. I had a faint low tone and I couldn't figure out where it was coming from, and finally we got it. So let's take a look here. We got us a little gold color ring here. I think it's just going to be bling for sure, but that's pretty cool, guys. Got us a ring today. Awesome. Well, back at the playground and just dug this up. It's going to be a Philippines coin. Or I think. No, maybe not. Maybe Jakarta. Could be Jakarta. But pretty cool. Got a 4. All right, guys, for the next find, let's see what we got. Got us another chain. Look at that. Man, that thing's long. That's a nice, pretty one there. It's ringing up like it's stainless steel though, or junk steel, but still, it's a chain. That's awesome. All right, guys, for my next find, I saw something shiny. Let's see what we got here. Different. We got a watch face. Crazy. I got the entire watch except for the watch itself. Interesting. All right, next find for the tot lot. We got us another chain. It's gonna be pretty corroded. It's been down there for quite a while, but I think we got all of it. Still nice finding some cool stuff though. All right, I'm hitting the tot lot before I head over to meet some friends. We're gonna be hunting too. So here's our next find. Right there, isn't that cute? Another piece of little junk jewelry, but still fun. Here we go again, guys. Another low tone. Look right there. Let's see what we got. Look at that, guys. That's pretty. I know it's just bling and junk, but hey, still jewelry. Awesome find. All right, guys, we got our next find here. We did get a weedy. It's a little dirty. Can't tell on the front here.
Clean it up later.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know what the date is.
We got a weedy. Well, guys, it's ringing up as a 49. Doing a little night digging. And look what just popped out. It's going to be a spinner ring. Probably just going to be stainless steel. That is a pretty little ring. I'll have to check and see if I got any markings. It's too dark to do it right now. But nice ring. Sweet. Wasn't expecting that. But we got a wheat cent. Yep. Nice.